Live life unlimited. Live at Garrett West. Located near Duke University and the University of North Carolina, this impressive community offers brand new apartment homes wrapped in 24-hour amenities. Convenient with everything you need to enhance your lifestyle. Catch a flick at the cinema on site, lounge with friends at the Spot, enjoy video game stations, billiards, or a cup of Java on your way to the Cyber Cafe with Mac and PC. Also printing and Wi-Fi access.
Text GarrettWestAPTS.com.
Enjoy the great outdoors in the backyard, the dog park, and the tot lot.
Playground with slides.
Relax around the resort-style swimming pool or cozy up to fireside seating at the Escape. Whether you're heating things up in the fitness studio complete with cardio and strength training equipment or in the summer kitchen with gas grills, at Garrett West you'll find everything you need to enhance your lifestyle. Stylish interiors are features of the 1, 2, and 3 bedroom floor plans with open living areas trimmed in crown molding, gourmet kitchens with energy efficient appliances, wood style plank flooring, refreshing baths, floor to ceiling views, washer and dryers included in every home, as well as optional sunrooms, screened in porches, and detached garages. There couldn't be a better address. Just minutes away from the streets at South Point Mall with major retailers like Nordstrom, West Elm, and Crate & Barrel, downtown Durham, and tons of local dining and shopping. The possibilities are endless. Hey, it's your apartment. It can be whatever you want it to be. Location, life, unlimited. Live at Garrett West.
Path to pool. Text Garrett West. 4130 Garrett Road, Durham, NC. 27707. 888-427-4042. Lease online today. GarrettWestAPTS.com.